For nearly 75 years, the Precision Metal Forming Association and its members have subscribed to the very highest standards of excellence. PMA's annual Awards of Excellence competition recognizes innovative metal forming companies for outstanding performance in the areas of design, product development, process control, productivity, innovation and technology, quality, safety, and training and education. Some have achieved the pinnacle of distinction, and we honor them now. The 2016 Awards of Excellence in Metal Forming winners. Our first award is the metal forming industry's most prestigious honor for designing and engineering excellence, the Higgins-Caditz Design Award. The award is presented to a manufacturing company that has demonstrated innovation, expertise, and unique product design. The award was created in 1955 by the Worcester Pressed Steel Company, Worcester, Massachusetts, in memory of its founder, John Woodman Higgins, and former PMA chairman Carter C. Higgins. The award is sponsored by the Quarterly Club, a group of CEOs from leading metal forming companies, in memory of Quarterly Club founder and past PMA chairman Clem Caditz. The 2016 winner of the Higgins-Caditz Design Award is Federal Tool and Engineering, West Bend, Wisconsin. Federal Tool and Engineering won the award for its redesign of the CB mounting bracket, used in securing heating cables to the exterior of commercial food service ovens. Based on the size of the oven, either a single, double, or triple hole version of the mounting bracket is used to secure the heating cables. Previously, each of the 3 brackets was made independently. Total process time was 34 to 48 seconds per part, depending on the part version. This equated to a typical 2,000-piece run taking as long as 26 hours to process. On an annual volume of 45,000 pieces, the annual process time exceeded 550 hours. Additional concerns surrounded the storage, management, and procurement of 3 different product numbers, in addition to the tabs welded to each bracket. After the design change, a single part is produced using a progressive die as a triple hole version, with the ability to split the part into a single hole and a double hole bracket. Total process time has been reduced to 5 to 6 seconds, depending on whether the triple hole version is split into a single or double hole. This equates to a typical 2,000-piece run taking about 4 hours to produce, resulting in an annual reduction in processing time of 460 hours. The original part was produced as a separate job with 2 work centers, 1 laser and 1 brake. With the new design, 3 press and post-press operations are eliminated. Additionally, the original part was shipped to the customer, which then purchased and spot welded 2 or 3 clips to it. Also, parts needed to be stored in 3 separate bins. Now, the customer is shipped 1 complete part that requires no further operations, and it can be stored as a single part number until separation is necessary. Congratulations, Federal Tool and Engineering, for your outstanding achievement. The Pitcher Insurance Agency Safety Award, sponsored by Pitcher Insurance Agency, Palatine, Illinois, recognizes an effective and comprehensive safety program or a specific innovative idea in the context of an effective safety program. The 2016 winner of the Pitcher Insurance Agency Safety Award is E&E Manufacturing Company, Plymouth, Michigan. E&E won the award for developing 2 types of safety stop blocks designed to eliminate the need to lift heavy stop blocks into the press, which can be hazardous. The first style of stop block, a flip-up style, is referred to as the easy set stop block. While heavy, employees still are able to easily flip the blocks into location with the help of gas springs and shock absorbers to soften the landing. E&E also utilizes two safety switches on these blocks. These are automatically disengaged when the block is in the upright position. The Easy Set is equipped with Air Assist on the adjustable screw portion of the stop block. The second type of stop block created by E&E Manufacturing, known as the Snake, allows employees to simply press a button to move the stop block in and out of the press. The Snake has a spring-loaded air cylinder pin device that holds the stop block in its home position or in its location under the slide. The pin is released with a manually operated air valve attached to the side of the stop block. The link construction and assembly methods enable the Snake not only to support, but to very easily move the heavy stop blocks. It was designed for presses using other systems and features, such as transfer systems, that prohibit the use of the Easy Set. Congratulations, E&E, on your outstanding safety efforts. Our next award, the Zurich Manufacturing Corporation Productivity Award, is sponsored by Zurich Manufacturing Corporation, Mount Kisco, New York. It recognizes outstanding achievement in the development and implementation of programs and processes, and the use of assets that lead to significant improvements in productivity. The winner of the 2016 Zurich Manufacturing Corporation Productivity Award is Tella Tool and Manufacturing Company, Lombard, Illinois. The company won the award for streamlining the packaging process on one of its high-volume production tools that produces more than 3 million parts per year. The original process for stacking, weighing, packing, and performing in-process inspection during the stamping process required 3 operators. With the press running at 37 strokes per minute, parts would become tangled and twisted while sliding down the exit chute after exiting the production tool, leading to numerous press stoppages and significant downtime. Parts were then required to be manually counted to ensure 120 parts per bundle were properly orientated and wrapped with interleaf paper. Finally, 3 bundles were placed together in a carton ready for shipment. A cross-functional team was established to investigate and develop a more effective and efficient process. This team brainstormed many ideas that finally led to the development of a machine called the Auto Stacker. This automated piece of equipment orientates, stacks, and counts parts as they exit the production tooling and travel down the conveyor. The Auto Stacker was completely designed and fabricated in-house by Tella Tool. The Auto Stacker includes 12 magazines situated evenly around a precision indexing carousel with cartridges engineered to wrap bundles with paper interleaf. PLCs and electronic sensors control automated indexing of magazines, timing of the servo motor, and the number of parts needed per bundle. This new process allows for a single operator to complete the entire stamping and packaging operation while effectively performing in-process inspection. All of this while not having to stop the press. It completely eliminates the need to manually stack, weigh, and count the parts coming off of the press. With the development and implementation of the Auto Stacker, Tella Tool has achieved many productivity improvements. Press speed was increased by 48%, resulting in an additional 624 available press hours per year. Also, 2 operators were redeployed to other areas within Tella Tool. As a result of the increased efficiencies and labor redeployment, a total savings of approximately $114,000 per year was realized. Congratulations, Tella Tool and Manufacturing, on your remarkable achievement. The Ulbrich Award for Competitive Excellence in Product Development is sponsored by Ulbrich Stainless Steels and Special Metals, North Haven, Connecticut. The award recognizes a metal forming company that develops and manufactures a product that best utilizes metal in place of a competitive material, or that develops a product using flat-rolled material at a significant cost reduction to customers on a product that was previously manufactured using more costly manufacturing processes such as machining, tubing, metal injection molding, or casting. The winner of the 2016 Ulbrich Award for Competitive Excellence in Product Development is Pentaflex, Springfield, Ohio. Pentaflex won the award for developing and processing a stamped brake spider for use in Class 8 trucks. Pentaflex's customer had noted an opportunity to introduce a stamped brake spider to replace an existing cast brake spider in order to obtain a significant cost and weight advantage. Because the braking loads seen in this particular application are in excess of 26,000 pounds, brake spiders routinely have been manufactured as castings. Pentaflex was integrally involved in supporting the development effort via its manufacturing capabilities in forming, welding, machining, and assembling. As developed, the stamped, high-strength, low-alloy steel spider delivered improved stiffness, strength, and durability while being easier to form. A 1,600-ton mechanical press was refurbished, and a new part transfer system was purchased to support the tighter design requirements and permit volume production. Additionally, the assembly process required new gas metal arc welding equipment for welding the strap to the spider form, and the design specifications for reduced machine tolerances required a new CNC machine. A second existing press was then tooled for stamping the wheel attachment hole pattern into the spider. From release of the first prototypes to the program's launch in the summer of 2015, Pentaflex has undertaken a continuous product development effort. Production to date has totaled more than 100,000 spiders and now includes more than 80 spider variations for different OEM customers. The cost and weight savings achieved with the development of the stamped spider over the cast spider were significant. Cost savings total nearly $2 per part depending on the spider, and the final stamped spider assembly and production results in weight savings of 3 to 6 pounds per vehicle based on customer analysis. Congratulations, Pentaflex, on a job well done. Our next award, the Plex Systems Innovation and Technology Award, is sponsored by Plex Systems, Troy, Michigan. New in 2016, this award recognizes a metal forming company that has implemented cloud technology to drive innovation from a product or business perspective, or transform business operations. The winner of the 2016 Plex Systems Innovation and Technology Award is HK Metalcraft, Lodi, New Jersey. HK Metalcraft won the award for implementing cloud technology that improved company-wide information sharing and internal communications, gained more information through data with built-in quality checks and live statistical process control, or SPC, and improved operations with more accurate process controls. In the 1980s, HK Metalcraft installed a single company-wide Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, system before others in the industry had considered it. Nearly 3 decades later, the company replaced its legacy ERP with an ERP Cloud System. Now, HK Metalcraft has serialized container-level inventory, making lot control much more accurate. It also has more finished inventory, less work in process, and more detailed process routings. Additionally, HK Metalcraft collects data from its plant floor and checks SPC on every product dimension to ensure accuracy. The company looks at the part cost structure and sees the direct overhead, variable overhead, and direct labor. As process routings and rates are tweaked, HK Metalcraft looks at part cost structures to find areas of profit or loss. All of this is enabled by the cloud-based ERP systems. More information on downtime also is tracked. The company's old press system required operators to manually input downtime with reason codes. With no standards around this process, operators would sometimes enter general codes, leading to inaccurate reporting. In implementing the ERP Cloud System, HK Metalcraft now knows what causes the downtime and has an audit trail to pinpoint a better solution. HK Metalcraft continues leveraging cloud technology to build out an industrial Internet of Things strategy, which includes connected press counters, digital scales, optical inspection systems, and shop floor dashboards to display performance in real time. Congratulations, HK Metalcraft, for transforming your business operations through cloud technology. The A.R. Hedberg Training and Education Award is sponsored by HPL Stampings, Lake Zurich, Illinois. It recognizes a company for notable efforts to technically train and educate employees by instituting a total training program throughout the company. The winner of the 2016 A.R. Hedberg Training and Education Award is DeWise Manufacturing, Marne, Michigan. DeWise Manufacturing won the award for its DeWise University, developed to meet the company's growing human resources requirements. DeWise University welcomed its first students in January 2012 by offering a progressive welding class. The university has since expanded its curriculum and offers training in key technological positions such as welding, press brakes, machining, and powder coating applications. These programs offer DeWise Manufacturing a strong pool of trained and motivated team members with skills that are in high demand. Just one of the many programs offered is weld training, designed to develop team members to be proficient welders. DeWise Manufacturing identified some of its best and brightest shop floor employees to establish the welding curriculum and become trainers. Each of the DeWise University training programs can accommodate 1 or 2 trainees per session. The weld training program typically has 2 students who spend 6 weeks working hands-on with the trainer. During this time, the trainer evaluates technique, commitment to the company, and overall capabilities. After the first 6 weeks, trainees move to predetermined shifts and departments. At that time, they are paired with mentors to help as needed. The overall process to make a new trainee an efficient welder is approximately 6 months. DeWise University works to consistently place new trainees in the pipeline based on open positions. Press brake and welding have been the 2 most consistent areas for training needs. To enter these programs, trainees undergo multiple interviews as well as skills tests or mechanical reasoning tests. The university is meant for new and current team members. Each program has 5 or 6 levels that vary based on skills, abilities, and years of service. The creation of the in-house training program has resulted in an increase of team members, wages, and overall morale at DeWise Manufacturing, in addition to providing the company with its needed skilled labor. Congratulations, DeWise Manufacturing, for your outstanding efforts to train industry employees. The Clips and Clamps Industries Educational Institution Award is sponsored by Clips and Clamps Industries, Plymouth, Michigan. It recognizes a public or private educational institution that provides exemplary training and education services to companies in the metal forming industry. The winner of the 2016 Clips and Clamps Industries Educational Institution Award is Middle Tennessee State University, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. The school won the award for its Experimental Vehicles program, which provides extensive hands-on experiences gained by creating and assembling vehicles to compete in collegiate competitions. The program consists of 5 experimental vehicle projects that split students into peer-led teams, where they must research, design, and manufacture original vehicles. On average, 70 to 80 students per semester participate in the experimental vehicles program. Students are able to utilize the skills they gain from the program, including problem solving, innovation, and resourcefulness in the metal forming industry. Students also learn valuable job functions such as tensile forming, bending, and shearing, which are utilized to manufacture and develop the experimental vehicles. Additionally, they receive exposure to fabricating machinery. The program also gives students practice in presenting their design reports and technical work, allowing them not only to learn technical skills but also communication skills. Middle Tennessee State University's Experimental Vehicles program has exhibited outstanding performance at national and international competitions. Most recently, in 2015, one of the experimental vehicles, the NASA Lunar Rover team, placed first nationally and third internationally. This team also was honored with the Safety Award and the Neil Armstrong Outstanding Design Award. Because of the Experimental Vehicles program, metal forming industry recruiters are more eager to hire these new engineers, as they require less training, are more knowledgeable, and can utilize problem-solving skills learned in the program. The program has been extremely successful, with more than 90% of students having a job lined up in the metal forming industry after graduation. Congratulations, Middle Tennessee State University. PMA applauds your efforts to prepare students for careers in manufacturing. PMA also offers awards in the areas of quality and process control. The Link Systems Process Control Award, sponsored by Link Systems in Nashville, Tennessee, promotes the application of electronic analog closed-loop process controls in the metal forming process by recognizing innovative electronic solutions implemented by a North American manufacturing company, which have resulted in significant quality, cost reduction, and productivity improvements. The Pridgeon and Clay Excellence in Quality Award is sponsored by Pridgeon and Clay, Grand Rapids, Michigan. This award recognizes outstanding achievement in the development and implementation of a company-wide quality system that effectively uses continuous improvement. No winners were selected in these categories this year. If your company excels in any of the 9 award categories, please be sure to submit an entry for the 2017 Awards of Excellence in Metal Forming Competition and earn well-deserved recognition for your company and employees. Contact PMA for information on how to apply.